First, install the laser generator. For installation, disassemble the drag chain on the side of the machine to make the installation of the fiber optical cable more convenient. Pass the fiber optic cable through the tank chain and extend it to the laser head. During the installation process, please be careful not to step on the fiber optic cable to prevent it from being broken. Take out the laser signal cable. Before the machine is shipped, the signal cable has been connected to the machine, so you only need to plug the other end of the signal cable into the corresponding interface of the laser. Next, install the laser power cord to the machine. The machine interface and each laser power cord are marked with labels. Connect the power cord according to the labels. In this way, the laser generator is installed. First, prepare a dust-free cabin. All subsequent operations must be carried out in the dust-free cabin. 1. Connect QBH. Prepare the laser cutting head. Unpack the other end of the optical fiber cable. Loosen the port of the gun head. Connect the marked position of the QBH interface of the laser generator to the position with a right dot on the gun head and tighten the gun head. After tightening, wrap a cycle of tape around the connection to prevent dust from entering. The machine will be equipped with several screws and basic tools such as interface connection switches when it is shipped. 2. Connect the water pipe. After the laser head is assembled, put it on the machine and tighten it with screws. Before connecting the pipe, trim the pipe to the appropriate length. For the laser head, the right one is the water inlet pipe, connected to the top of the laser head. The blue one is the water outlet pipe, connected to the bottom of the laser head. Use a transparent hose to connect the remaining interfaces. Show the connection effect. 3. Connect the gas pipe. The laser cutting head has only one gas pipe, outlet pipe. Connect to the bottom of the gun head. 4. Connect the motor inside of the head. The green line is the coding line of the cutting head, which is connected to the interface on the right side of the cutting head. The orange line is the motor power line inside the cutting head, which is connected to the interface on the left side of the cutting head. 5. Connecting capacitive sensors. Connect the RF line to the lower end of the capacitor sensor. Connect the capacitor sensor to the left side of the laser head and tighten it with screw. Connect the capacitor sensor to the capacitor amplifier. Okay, the laser cutting head is now installed. The machine will be shipped with two 19mm diameter water pipes and two 10mm diameter water pipes. The blue water pipe is inserted into the water inlet of the chiller and the water outlet of the machine. The red water pipe is inserted into the water outlet of the chiller and the water inlet of the machine. Two 90mm diameter water pipes are connected to the water inlet and outlet of the chiller respectively. So now the chiller is installed. Gas connection is very simple. The gas connection of the machine is marked with a table. Connect the inlet and outlet pipes according to the instructions. Open the gas tank and adjust the gas pressure. Generally, the machine can be used normally when the air pressure values of the two gauges are around 5 and 0.8. Put the level of light. Adjust the direction so that the light shines on the machine bed. Find a reference point on the machine and measure the distance between the lever and the reference point. Measure all four corners of the machine. Adjust the bed height according to the measured values so that the four values are the same. If the value is large, lower the bed. Okay, congratulations! The machine has been installed and can be used normally.